Hi, Alpha fan. JPD here today.
JPD!
I show you how to make Soju Bomb instead of onion alpha today. Please find a small glass cup and Soju glass cup. Oh, I had made a huge mistake. Let's start it again from the beginning. The most important thing for the very first step is beer and soju. Here is very cold beer and soju. Let's open this. I open this with the spoon, cause I'm Stone Korean. Please don't get scared of Korean macho man's way.
Nice!
Even monkey fall from the tree. Anyone can make a mistake, you know. And great human develop amazing tools. So we use a bottle opener for this. Well done, great human. And soju here. Let's check soju bottle with clockwise. 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Then you can see a little cute tornado in the soju bottle. Okay, it's time to open the bottle. Oh wait! Yum yum yum! 까다락 까다락. 허이자! It has good taste if we smack out the bottle. Let's make SoMac. Please remember this red line for making the best SoMac. First, putting up to the red line. It should be on angle, not to get bubble. Red line and less bubble. See? The best way to make a perfect SoMac. Second, pouring soju. Up to here my finger. It doesn't really matter the amount of soju. It depends. Well, we pour soju into our beautiful cup of beer. We pour soju gently, not to make a bubble yet. Yes, we need it in line now for making the best SoMac. What? Did you see this amazing bubble? That is right! It is a SoMac bubble frozen bomb! The last step we left is one shot and drop. Beautiful! Here is one more thing I like to show you at the end. The way to make a SoMac by the SoMac master. Thanks for watching. Have a great SoMac!